Everyone, welcome to Arogya PhysioTips. I am Dr. Anamika Lindo and today I'll be talking about inguinal hernia. Inguinal hernia is also known as groin hernia. So what happens here is the soft tissue bulges or protrudes through a weak point in the abdominal muscles. In case you have abdominal hernia, the symptoms which you might experience are pain while bending or pain while coughing or sneezing, and also you might experience pain while lifting heavy objects. And also you might be wondering what causes inguinal hernia. The causes of inguinal hernia are when there is increased pressure in the abdominal wall. Then the next is straining while bowel movement or urination. Then the next is pregnancy, and also in case it can also cause due to chronic coughing or sneezing. So these are all the exercises which you have to do at home, and in case you still have some doubts or confusion, you can always come and visit us here in Bannerghatta Main Road, Medex Hospital, 3rd floor. And apart from all these exercises which you have done, there are a few exercises which you need to avoid, such as crunches, lifting heavy weights, and also high impact exercises. So before I go, please do like, share and subscribe our channel with your friends and families and witness your fitness with us.